In this short demo, I'll show you how to combine Google Gemini with Apple Siri and Google's serverless cloud run functions so that you can build dynamic visual workflows directly on your iPhone. Yes, directly on iOS. We'll get Gemini and Siri to be best friends forever. So just watch and I'll show you how to create a cloud run function, how to deploy it, and how to script from your iOS or macOS device.
All right, here's your wrap and a philosophical head scratcher. Weather wrap for Austin. Yo, it's March the 9th. Feel the sun's grace. 61 degrees in this chill place. But hold up, tomorrow's gonna flip. 80 degrees, gonna give you the slip. From cool to warm, that's how we roll. Austin weather plays with your soul. Humanity's perplexity. The most perplexing thing about humanity is our persistent need to rank and categorize everything, from music to people, despite the inherent subjectivity and the potential for overlooking hidden talents and profound contributions.
So if you're not familiar, Google Cloud Run Functions is a serverless function framework that allows you to write code without worrying about the infrastructure. It will essentially infinitely scale based on the traffic that you're getting to the system, and you don't have to pay for infrastructure and request while the system is not in use. So there's lots of use cases for serverless functions. You can check this out at cloud.google.com/functions. And then there's lots of cases for when you might use this versus standing up a server that you pay for all the time. So what you have is very simple but powerful code. So this cloud Gemini how to behave, it's what's called the system prompt. So Gemini is going to be very witty and funny and expert on the human condition. It's going to be a philosopher comedian. If we ask for any facts or data, it's going to give us that before commentary. And then we have the ability to pass in a prompt, and if no prompt is passed in, it's just going to tell us a joke. But in this particular code, what we're doing here is we're giving Gemini the ability to perform Google searches. So LLMs and generative AI and AI models typically have a corpus and a data set of information that's a fixed point in time that gets incrementally updated. But typically they don't have real-time information unless you give them additional capabilities. So this is what's called function calling. It's called tools. There's various names for it. So we're giving this the ability to make Google searches. So we can actually have real-time, up-to-date information based on the Google index. So we can literally ask Gemini anything, and anything Gemini can answer, plus augmented by Google search results, it will answer. And then we produce a web service that can do things like answer questions like, what is the meaning of life? Give us an answer, and then we can call this from various interfaces and clients, which we'll do with an Apple iPhone.
Sure, here is a joke about tires. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. All right, here are a few more tire-related jokes to keep you rolling. Why did the spare tire go to therapy? It had issues with feeling left out. What's a tire's favorite type of music? Rhythm and blues.
All right,